Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Bot Warfare for COD4. There are 3 files in particular that we'll need: Title Update 4, the COD.exe plugin for dash launch, and the actual mod itself, the IW3 Bot Warfare. Note, the only supported game region for this mod is the USA and Europe version. And the Title Update 4 that I have in the description for you to download is the USA version. If you need the Europe version, make your way over to xboxunity.com and download that. First thing, make sure that you have COD4 installed onto your storage device. As you can see, I have COD4 installed, and it needs to be in raw file format, not games on demand. This is important. So we'll make our way over to the PC now. For simplicity today, I'll be moving the files over using Xbox 360 Neighborhood, but feel free to also use a USB drive. So go ahead and download the Bot Warfare mod itself, and then this is the COD.exe plugin for dash launch, and this is the Title Update 4 for COD4. Make your way to your console. I'm going to my hard drive internal. First thing we're going to do is we're going to basically back up and create a folder for our title update, because in case you ever need to clear your cache, you want to be able to have access to that title update again so that you can put it in the cache folder so that the mod actually loads. So create a folder somewhere, name it title updates. Mine's in my game patches, and then under COD4 patches, and then right there, title update 4 files. And as you can see, I made a backup of the title update. So now just back out. You don't have to do that, but guys, I recommend. Now go to your cache folder, and inside here, just paste that title update. Awesome. Now we're going to go into the COD4 game itself. Now open the Bot Warfare mod itself, and we're going to copy this COD.exe folder into our game itself. So right click, select paste. As you can see, the folder has now been installed. That just took a couple seconds. Back out of here. Now on the root of your hard drive, as you can see, I'm in the root of my internal hard drive. Go ahead and copy the plugin into here. To save time, you can already tell that I have the plugin installed. Now, make your way over to dash launch and launch that, and then I'll meet you guys back over on the console itself. So now that we're back over on the console, go to plugins, and if you are running a stealth server, this is super important. Make sure that you set the COD.exe plugin as dash launch number or as plugin number 3. I skip past it. And then also, if you are not using a stealth server, that is fine. Make sure that you set the COD4 plugin as plugin number 2. Every other plugin, whether it be a mod menu or JRPC 2, for example, put that at the plugin 4 or 5 mark. Now click RB, go down to your storage, and then press X, and then A, X, A. I do it twice just to be safe, and then press B. Now, go ahead and restart your console so that the dash launch settings actually apply. Now that our console has been restarted, go ahead and make your way over to COD4. I'm just going to launch the game manually using XEX menu. So go to wherever you have COD4 installed, and then load the default _mp.xex. This will take a couple seconds to load, so just be patient. And as you guys can see, at the top left we have the Bot Warfare mod installed. One thing to note, it can be very tricky to get this mod to actually load in the game when trying to load the executable, the default mp.xex. When you go to launch the game, it will just hang at a black screen. The best solution that I have found is to just go ahead and restart your console and then try to launch the game again. And eventually it will load. Now I'm just going to load up a match and do a little showcase. This is actually a mod that was ported from the PC over to the 360, which is dope.
Team deathmatch. Let's do this, Marines.
Super simple to open the menu. Press X and then right on the thumbstick. So I'm just going to spawn in, let's just say, 5 bots. I have noticed that once you go above roughly 7 to 8 bots, the game can start to get a bit laggy, so that's something to be aware of. Now I'll go ahead and edit the difficulty. Put them on easy. I don't want to get wrecked by some bots.
We taking the lead.
As you can tell, they do play like real players, and it can be a bit sweaty, so you can dial the settings into exactly what type of gameplay you're looking for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you for watching.
We've lost the lead.